Have you lost sight that we are in very tough economic times?
Hundreds signed up for the first of 6 virtual public hearings, given 3 minutes each to sound off on the polarizing and controversial topic of congestion pricing. Those for and against spoke passionately.
We have no mass transit here in Eastern Queens that's available 24 hours a day or on weekends. And we have seniors who need to travel into Manhattan for medical care.
I think that this plan will be able to save lives by decreasing the levels of traffic violence currently on our streets.
Here's how it would work. Any vehicles traveling south of 60th Street in Manhattan, except along the FDR Drive and the West Side Highway, would have to pay a toll. Cameras would detect the vehicles. The possible price range has been set between $9 and $23. There could be an off-peak discount. The MTA says congestion would be reduced 20%, and it would raise $1 billion a year for transit.
Revenue collected would fund MTA's 2020 to 2024 capital program.
All agree the transit system needs to be fixed, upgraded, and maintained. Proponents say congestion pricing is the only viable answer. And other benefits, cutting down on environmental pollution and the unbearable traffic. But the plan is facing massive pushback, particularly from people who live in New Jersey, who argue they already have to pay a tunnel or bridge toll, and folks who live in other areas of the state who don't feel they should have to pay for subway repairs.
We pay $50 million more in taxes to the MTA than services we receive. It's totally unacceptable. Congestion pricing is nothing more than a money grab.
And more outcry from people who rely on their cars for their livelihood, rideshare drivers or cab drivers, and drivers who live in Midtown.
This model discriminates against all residents in the zone who will have to pay a toll to get to their homes.